Welcome to day 2 of the challenge, Pookie, and in order for you to have bountiful riches, ROASes, and women that you acquire from scaling your dropshipping store, you need to have a product that first checks off all of the right boxes. But unfortunately for most dropshippers, when they're on all these product research tools, they don't really know what they're looking for, or they look for products with wow factor, which nobody really knows what that even means, which is why most people just keep choosing the wrong products consistently. But luckily for you, over the last few years, I have scaled plenty of products, including last year, 6 different products to over $100,000 a month by having an exact filter and criteria set with the specific tools I'm about to show you in this video that eliminate 95% of the products that are just going to waste your time and money and just show you the real winners with scaling potential. So in this video, I'm going to break down the exact spy tools I use, what are those filters that I use to find these winning products, and of course, we are going to find some winning products live in front of your eyes. So let's hop on over to our first tool, PP Ads here. Now, inside of the Ad Spy section, you just go to e-commerce and Ad Spy. These are the specific filters that I like. So we got the big 5 countries right here. We got any ad with over 100,000 impressions that started over the last 30 days. So all of these products are very validated. You're not getting that much impressions and that much spend unless you're making sales. So we're going to scroll down and just see what catches the eye. So immediately we got this beauty product, which I absolutely love the beauty niche. And if you're wondering what are my favorite niches, it's typically going to be beauty, fitness, health, really anything that solves a key insecurity that people are willing to pay a good amount of money for, especially when it's women buyers, because they do be shopping. So immediately, this is a really interesting product, got tons of impressions here. So looking at the website, let's just see if these guys look like they're drop shipping. And I mean, they got a good looking brand, but this is definitely a product that we can most likely source for about $5 or so and sell for about 30 to 40. So we got another product right here with over 1 million impressions, and it does solve a very similar issue. So it's the fine lines, it's the under eye bags, but again, it's a different product that solves a similar problem. So really, when I'm doing my product research, it's not that I'm really marrying one product. It's got to be all in on that. No, I'm just looking for what are different problems that I can find solutions for. So never marry a specific product. Just try to find what are the ideas and what are the problems that I'm looking to sell solutions for. All right, so we got another product right here with the face mask. Beautiful. So the LED face mask, typically the AOV on these products is in the hundreds. So great margin. There is definitely sales validation because people love buying this to look younger, get rid of those acne and any wrinkles or any facial blemishes, especially for these old lizard looking women that are trying to hang on to the last little bit of beauty that they have. So again, great product, but there's another filter set that I do like inside of the ads. So let's go back up to our filters. And the one that I also like is where we're looking for ads that haven't necessarily blown up yet. So I do 10,000 impressions and then a max of 30,000 impressions, but these are more new ads. So this is last 7 days and just seeing what is starting to pop off. And then we can piggyback off of that trend before it really starts to explode and that product gets more competitive. So I love just taking advantage of other people's hard work. So let's scroll down and let's just see what is popping off. All right, so we got this side sleeper pillow here with 20,000 impressions. It's been running for a week. So they're starting to do some decent numbers from the look of it. And honestly, this is a product that I would 100% buy. I mean, I have sleep problems galore. I basically an insomniac at this point. I mean, you can tell the under eye bags not looking so good, but again, great margin, good problem solver. It's got content. It's an evergreen product. So this just checks every single mark. And then the final section of PP ads where you're going to find some good products is going on to add product. And then I do impressions above about 100,000 to 150. It's completely up to you. For ads, I don't like products with more than 200 because usually that means they're really scaling, but a minimum of 20 is a good start. And then I really like any product above that $20 price point because we need some solid margins. So let's just take a look. We'll scroll down, see if anything catches the eye. Typically with this section, you're going to see more saturated products. So you got to keep that in mind. If you see the same product multiple times listed, usually that just means you shouldn't sell it. So potentially the face mask is again, yeah, we see this multiple times. That might be honestly something we avoid because of that reason. This LED turbo blower, I've also seen quite a bit. So just keep that in mind when you're doing your research. But let's see if we scroll on down, anything catching the eye. We got some beauty products. All right, so as we scroll on down, I want to avoid all the generic products. So yeah, Valentine's Day is seasonal and it's generic. So yeah, I'm definitely not doing that. But this product was interesting. It just says starter kit and I was really curious what it actually is. It seems to be some sort of humidifier or diffuser, just make your house smell good or maybe increase the air quality. So let's just take a look. I want to do some digging. They have been scaling for a while now and it's a high price point, $100, not too shabby. I'm aware of Aroma 360, so they actually have been around for a minute. But if we can find a similar version, like I said, I am not married to the concept of this, but if we see that, okay, diffusers are selling really well, especially these more modern, more aesthetic looking ones, then potentially we can find one that's also like that. So let's just do a little bit of live scrolling before we use our next tool because I really want to talk about what my thought process is when I actually do look at products. So first of all, I'm not a big fan of non-problem solving products. That's just my personal taste. So any clothing products, the hoodie, the pants, all this stuff, I'm pretty much just, my eyes are tunnel vision, not even looking at it. I really want to see good problem solving products that aren't too generic. So yeah, an infrared brush that's just been around for so long, so that's just not something I'm interested in. And you will see just a lot of these like cheap gadgets or products that don't have the margin. So also, yeah, like a bathtub filter. But of course, when you become an expert like moi, when you scroll down, you're immediately gonna be able to spot a winner like these snow crab legs. I mean, who doesn't want to get 3-week-old Chinese legs delivered to them? I mean, that sounds like immediate food poison. Who doesn't want to have that? But of course, I am joking. But if we scroll down, let's just see, does anything kind of catch the eye? I want good margin, good perceived value, and right here, okay. So LED light therapy device, that looks very interesting. It's got a good AOV, good margin. They've been doing some good numbers in terms of impressions here. So this is definitely something that's more up my alley because I'm sure that this solves a ton of different problems. It could be back pain or it could be used for specifically your face. So I have to kind of do some research. So it looks like, yeah, it helps with the fine lines, helps with the wrinkles. This is right up my wheelhouse. All right, so now let's hop onto my second favorite tool, which has to be Kalodata. So I personally use these filters right here. So any product with the last 30 days, it's doing at least 90 grand in revenue. But for me, really the bare minimum for sales validation is anything over $30,000 a month. That is more than enough. And then for a revenue source, I like video, average unit price 20 to 100. And when we look at these product titles, I would just avoid anything that has a brand name. So as you can see, Taste Flavor Co. Yeah, obviously that's a legit brand. But if we look at the next one, Mass Games, retro game console with 40,000 built-in games, 19 emulators, 2 wireless controllers, 4K output, and 64 gigabyte SD card, perfect for kids and adults. Yeah, that's clearly a dropshipper because it's just the keywords. It doesn't have any branding. So those are the types of products that we're going to be really looking for, of the keywords being generic. So as we scroll on down, again, I like my problem solvers, and you are going to see a few products over and over again. So yes, avoid those. So yeah, the 501 hair styler, we've already seen twice, so we're going to avoid that. But right here, this mini portable welding kit is something that is definitely up my alley. It's got tons of sales validation. It's very niche. It's a problem solver. It's got the unit price I'm looking for. So I know it's not the most wow factory dropshipping TikTok organic viral product in the world, but these are the products people really scale. It's the boring stuff. Then we got another product here from Go Pure. So these guys are basically dropshippers where you can source their product if you have a good private supplier, like a Commercive, especially a Zendrop. Now, inside my one-on-one program, my private agent Kaylee, she is amazing. So she can give me a good quote for this with the fastest shipping lines, which is UniExpress. So I can ship directly to most customers around the world in 7 to 10 days, which is just such a big competitive advantage over other dropshippers that are relying on these really crappy suppliers. So if you do want access to my private agent and just all the ad templates, the product page templates, every resource I use to scale my brands, then click that first link in the description down below, because along with that, you also get 5 calls a week with yours truly inside my one-on-one program. So if you're really serious and you want to get all the results as fast as possible, just skip the learning curve, and you really want to make 2026 your year with dropshipping, then click that first link in the description, join the one-on-one program. I would love to work with you directly and help you scale like so many of my top students. But sales pitch out of the way, as we scroll on down here, let's just see if there's anything that really catches the eye besides those main 2 products. So I would say any workout equipment typically is going to be a bit too expensive. And if you're wondering, hey Ethan, so I see on Kalodata that they're selling this product for $40. Does that mean that's typically what I have to sell the product for? I would say no, this is not a direct comparison, because TikTok Shop is where these products are at, and you're not really competing with TikTok Shop. You're your own Shopify store, your own brand. So typically you're actually going to be able to charge a premium because you've built your own brand compared to these people that are relying on TikTok Shop, which is really just a battle to the bottom when it comes to prices. So I increased the filters and I found this all-in-one facial beauty device. So you probably see that there's a bit of a pattern in terms of the products that I like to sell, just because again, good AOV, it's a good market, and it's a very pressing desire and need, tons of content as well. So this is definitely up my alley. But let's actually go through my criteria, because I do have my own product research sheet where when I add all of these products here, you can see that there is a criteria where I have to make sure each one of my products follows this. All right, so let's see if this product actually fits my criteria. So I first just did an image search on AliExpress. So all you have to do is just download an image, upload it here. And as we can see, we're getting quotes for about $11, but the original price is $40. So let's just say that we would be getting quotes for about $40 from our private suppliers once we do get a quote back. So that means we have to be selling it for 3 times. That is my margin rule. I need to be selling the product for 3 times more than it cost me. So it would have to be around that $120 range. And as we can see on Amazon, they're selling this for $90. On TikTok Shop, it was also about $90 to $130. But typically where I get the range of prices for similar products is looking at the keywords of my product in Google Shopping. And as we can see, there are products going for $149. We got $300. So there are definitely more expensive and cheaper solutions, but the range of about 70 to 180 seems to be that price range. So 120 is well within our rights. So that matches my margin rules of at least a 3x plus $25 as a bare minimum margin. But then when it comes to the next criteria, so we had return rate on here. And the way I do that is just hop on Amazon, look at the top seller of this product, and are the reviews 4.3 and above. So right here we have 4.5. So clearly this is a product that actually works. We're not going to deal with a lot of returns. It does deliver the value. So you just don't want to sell anything that's below 4.3, because typically, even if you do make it a winner, you're going to deal with so many headaches and chargebacks and and people wanting their money back because it doesn't really deliver the value. Is this a product that appeals to impulse purchasers? 100%, because we can visually show the before and afters and the difference that it makes. And then with content, we found this product on Kalodata. So yeah, is there content available? I mean, we can just see right here, there are plenty of videos. I'm sure if we went on TikTok and YouTube, we would also find some more videos on there. Proven sales demand over 30,000 on Kalodata has 200,000 on Amazon, 2,000 bought. Times that by $90, that's $180,000 in sales demand right there. So clearly it has it. Is it evergreen? Typically it's just very self-explanatory. Like, does it solve a problem that people deal with year round? And yeah, I would say these lizard women will do anything to look a little bit younger. So 100% this is a product that I would sell, matches all the boxes. So if you do want access to the product research spreadsheet, I will link it in the description down below. And your homework is to start using these tools, start playing around with the filters and see what products you find. Build a list of at least 5 to 10 products that match all of these criteria points. And if you're wondering how you can get access to these tools for free, then if you join my school community, it's free for the first 7 days and you can get access to PP ads, which is usually $250 a month. So if you want to save some money, you can definitely go and join that program. Kalodata, unfortunately, is one of those tools you can't really share. So you will have to get an account for $70 a month, but it is definitely worth it to have that one product that you find on it that can change your life.